All right, first things first. Let's really break down what Power BI is at its core. Okay, so don't just think of Power BI as some simple chart making tool. It's more like a complete data kitchen. Seriously, it's where you gather all your ingredients, that's your raw data, and then you get to prepare it, clean it up, and cook up these beautiful interactive reports that tell a really compelling story. So here's something important to know. Power BI isn't just one thing. It's actually a toolkit with three main parts that all work together to bring your data to life. And these three parts are pretty much the foundation of everything. First up, you've got Power BI Desktop. That's your main workshop where you'll build your reports. Then there's the Power BI Service. That's the online hub for sharing and working with your team. And finally, you've got the Power BI mobile app, so you can check your insights from anywhere. So here's how it all connects, nice and simple. You do all the heavy lifting, the building of your reports, right there in Power BI Desktop. Then, once you're happy with it, you publish it up to the Power BI service to share with everyone. And from there, your team can pull it up on their phones with the mobile app. See? Build, share, and view. Okay, so we've got the tools. Now, what's the actual process like? Well, creating a report in Power BI is basically a journey, and it follows a really clear six-step path from raw data all the way to a finished product. Think of this as your roadmap. It all starts with step one. You connect to your data, no matter where it's stored. Then, step two, you transform it. This part is so important. It's where you clean everything up and make sure it's reliable. Step three is modeling the data. A good way to think of this is like connecting the dots between all your different pieces of information. After that, the fun part. You get to create visuals with charts and graphs. And finally, you publish and distribute your report so you can get those awesome insights to the people who need them. And here's a key thing to remember. Those first four steps we just talked about, the connecting, transforming, modeling, and visualizing, all of that happens right inside Power BI Desktop. That's your creation space. It's where you do all the detective work to uncover the story that's hidden in your data. All right, so you've built your masterpiece. Now what? Well, now it's time to share it. You just hit publish, and it goes from your desktop application up to the Power BI service. And from there, you can share it with your team, build out these really cool interactive dashboards, and even control exactly who gets to see what.
Okay, let's take a step back and look at the big picture, just to see how this entire workflow fits together.
And this really brings it all home. You can see the whole journey right here. You start by building on your desktop, then you share it up in the cloud, and then you and your team can access it on your phone. It's a really smooth, seamless ecosystem for all your data. And really, that's the whole point of Power BI. It's all about taking that feeling of being totally lost in your data and turning it into a moment of, aha, I get it now. It gives you the power to find those hidden stories and then share them with the people who need to hear them. So, you've got the roadmap now. You see how it all works. The only question left is, what story does your data want to tell?